What's up, guys, and welcome to my 2025 extremely quick chart setup tutorial for Quantower trading platform. The purpose of this tutorial is to get you set up to trade as quickly as possible, so I won't be going over any advanced setup in this video, rather just simple chart setup that you can use to get up and trading immediately. The setup should take less than 5 minutes, so let's get right into it. When you load Quantower, you'll see this quick access toolbar at the top. Now there will be all these other windows if you're just downloading the platform for the first time. You can go ahead and delete all those. The first thing we're going to want to do is come up here to the quick access toolbar and select the button that says CHT, which you have access to here, or you can click the Quantower symbol for this drop down menu and it'll be under the analytics tab. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using RTY, which is the Russell Index futures, and I'm going to be using my Top Step account for the connection. So we're going to make sure we have Top Step selected here from the drop down menu in the account window. We're going to come down to CME futures and we're going to select RTY, and then I'm going to use the front month contract, which is the continuous contract on Quantower. We're going to double click RTY and a chart's going to pop up. Default is going to have this chart set on 1 minute. I like to have the 1 minute set out to 20 days just to give a little bit broader view on a smaller time frame. I have the 1 minute chart in the bottom right hand side of my screen. So we're going to drag the top of this bar here down to the bottom right, and we're going to drop it. Now, I execute on the 5 minutes, so that's going to be the next chart that I set up. So we're going to go through the same process that we went through for the 1 minute chart. We're going to click the chart button. We're going to come to the drop down menu. We're going to find RTY here under the CME futures section. We're going to double click RTY and we're going to select front month. I'm going to change this chart time to 5 minutes. And I like my 5 minute to extend out at least 3 months. I'm going to go ahead and select 6 months on this chart. I like it to extend out as far as I possibly can. Now this is my execution chart, so I want it to be a little bit larger than the other charts. So I'm going to pull this up to the upper left. I'm going to drop it there. I'm going to come down to the bottom border of this window and I'm going to drag this down, and this is going to fill up the whole left side of my screen. Now I want one more chart that's a little bit higher time frame, which is going to be the 15-minute chart. So we're going to do this process once more. And there you have it, guys. Really, right now, you could start trading. Your trading toolbar is up here in the upper right-hand side of your charts. We'll left-click that, and the trading toolbar will pop out. You have your market buy, your market sell, your flatten. Pretty much everything you need for execution is going to be on this toolbar. If you've been trading for a while and wish to not see this portion, a new feature that Quantower has added is slim mode, which will minimize the size of this bar and give a little bit more space for the chart visibility. So we're going to right click right by account up here, and we're going to select slim mode, and that will minimize the size of this toolbar so it doesn't take up as much space for your charts. Now, one last feature that I do want to talk about in this tutorial is the bind feature, which allows you to interlink these charts that we have on our screen right now. It is a nice feature that Quantower has because it allows you to, a lot of us do trade multiple symbols at the same time, or are looking at multiple symbols at the same time, but this will allow you to make this one window, and you'll be able to minimize and maximize this, and you'll be able to do that with all the other symbols that you're trading at the same time as well. So in order to do this, in order to perform the bind function, we're going to come up to the 3 dashed lines up here in the upper left hand corner of our chart. We're going to right click, and there will be a create bind button. We're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to left click on our 5 minute chart, hold, and drag until all 3 charts are highlighted. And down here in the bottom right is going to be the create bind button, and what that's going to do is set this as one window. Now we have the ability, if we go over any of the borders on this chart, to drag left, drag right, and it will not hide any of the information that we have. You know, like say we want to see the 15-minute chart a little bit bigger, we can drag that border down. If we want to see the 1 minute chart a little bit bigger, we can drag that border up. It's a really nice feature that Quantower has, and I highly recommend using it. Now, if you wanted access to another chart, Quantower does have the ability to add tabs to each of these charts. So what I'm going to do here, in order to do that, I do have to remove this bind. So I'm going to unbind these windows. Like say I wanted to add the hour chart up here as a separate tab for the 15-minute. I'm going to select chart. I'm going to go through the same process that we did previously. I'm going to select RTY. I'm going to go front month. I'm going to click the time, and I want my 1 hour going out 3 years. And once it's loaded, you'll have the 1 hour chart dating 3 years back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to left click the top border of this chart, and we're going to drag it up to the 15-minute. And when you see it highlight that area, we're going to drop it. And now you can see we have both the 15-minute and the 1 hour on separate tabs here on the upper right chart of your screen. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this setup tutorial. This should get you up and trading as quickly as possible on Quantower. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I live stream a portion of my trading. Currently, I'm doing Globex sessions starting at 7:45 Eastern time. Feel free to come and hang out. Pop in the chat and say hello. As I said prior, we will go over some more advanced features that I use in the future. So with that, guys, that's going to wrap up this quick Quantower setup tutorial. Hopefully this gets you up and trading as quickly as possible, and we'll see you next time. Peace.